Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we have the ASG CZ75 shell ejecting pistol by Marushin. Yes, I said shell ejecting. This mag does hold 8 rounds, and with every shot ejects a shell, which is pretty cool, not something you see a lot in airsoft guns these days. So right now we actually have it powered with duster gas. The reason duster gas because this gun is a plastic body, so we recommend duster gas. It's not as powerful as green gas. You can use green gas, but at your own risk. So here we go.